Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easy way to use parboiled rice, popularly known as a Nigerian rice, to cook Ghanaian authentic jollof. My name is Randy Ajiman, also known as Cuisine. Let's get in. Hi guys, welcome back. So start by putting your oil in the saucepan. Secondly, put your onions in the saucepan so that it starts to fry, because that's the start of the process. We have to prepare the stew first. So it's going in. Secondly, you put your tomato puree in it. Yeah. We do this because the tomato puree has to fry a bit, so that when you add the raw tomatoes, everything becomes okay. Because if it doesn't really get cooked and then you put everything inside, it doesn't really make the food balanced. So in actual sense, people normally put the tomato puree inside first and fry for a while. So you can then add your pepper, the blended one. You add your tomatoes. And then you add a bit of salt. Make sure you don't put too much salt because of the Maggi cube. Otherwise your food will end up getting salty. And no one would like to eat a salty food. That's just by the way. So let's get in. You put everything in and you stir. You stir for a while. So you see the tomatoes and the onions getting very soft. Okay, so while the stew is boiling, you make sure you add your spice. I'm adding a cube of Maggi. And I've also added nutmeg. So you keep stirring for a while. But you will still have to cover it so that the food continues boiling, because the stew has to get ready before we start making the jollof. Okay guys, so you can see the stew is still boiling and the tomatoes are getting softer. The stew is becoming so nice. I wish you guys could subscribe and then leave your comments down so that you can smell the food through the video. So guys, in this process, we are adding some eggs to the stew. Yeah. It still smells so nice. Subscribe and hit the like button to smell the food. Guys, now you can see my stew is getting better now. So now the stew is ready. So we are about to start the jollof. So guys, now we are putting our parboiled rice into the stew. Always you make sure the stew is not too much, otherwise the rice will get too soft. And then for nice Ghanaian jollof, we don't like it soft, as usual. So we put the rice in your stew and you stir. You stir. And then you pour your water. You try and make sure the water is not too much, otherwise you end up making the food very soft. But you know, as usual, the parboiled rice is not that soft usually, so you make sure the water is a bit much so that at least the rice would become soft as you like. So guys, whilst our jollof is still boiling, we are adding our spaghetti. Adding our spaghetti to our jollof and you stir. When you stir, cover it and leave to boil. Hi guys, now you can see our jollof now. So this is a point where we add our vegetables. Add the vegetables and you stir. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more contents like this and many more. So you stir. Wow, the food really smells good. I'm sure you guys have smelt it countless times by subscribing to the channel and then liking my videos. And hi guys, so this is our Ghanaian Jollof made with parboiled rice. You can see how nice it looks. So don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching the videos. Bye.